Come back in the second video. In first video we will see the overview of our product. Let's go with the main feature of this application, and it is how to create an online exam as well as how to create a PDF from it, right? So first you have to go for the first icon, exam. If you are a first time, then there is a no PDF will be available to there, right? So just you have to click on the plus icon. If you click on plus icon, you have to add the name of the exam, like let's say online examination demo in English, right? So you have to put the next, you have to put the duration, how many minutes you have to conduct the online exams, right? Suppose you have a NEET exam, so you have to conduct a 200 minutes of examination, right? So you have to put a 200 in that box. Start date, what is the start date and end date? So this start date means between these two times, start date and end time, in the student examination in the portal, there is a start button will be visible into the student panel, and the button appears when the start date comes, and button will disappear when the end date will go, right? So you have to choose as per your requirement what is your start time or what is your end time, right? But I will just make a clarify that you have to add all the questions given into this exam before start time. If it is start time will come, then no question will be added into that exam, right? So right now 18th of July right now, so we have to take a 10 a.m 10 p.m, right? And we have to 10:30, right? Let's say 10:30 is the end time, right? What is mean is, so 10 to 10:30 there is a start button will be visible into the student examination portal, and they can enter into the class. When they click on the start button, they get a 200 minutes, right? This is a simple phenomenon. Here is a syllabus you can put of physics, maths and biology, right? Module type means which type of exam do you want to create. Right now let's check GNEET. Exam type, we have three type of examination are there. MCQ plus MCQ means NEET pattern, MCQ plus numerical means JEE pattern exam, and MCQ plus objective means board type exam, right? You can conduct any of the exam, but MCQ plus objective is only for generating a PDF, because there is a theoretical subject exam, so we cannot make it a online exam, right? So we just do it like a MCQ plus MCQ means NEET type exam. You have to click on the languages, so you have to select English languages, select the standard. So let's take a 12th standard. Which class or which batch do you want to conduct this online exam? We have to take a Gujarati. You can select a multiple also. Right now we are just take a simple demo, so we just select a one subject for standard. You can add a multiple as per your requirement, right? Which subject do you want to conduct? Let's check we have taking a PCB, right? Let's check which faculty do you want to add these questions into this exam. So we take a Kothia Piyush, myself want to take this add this question to that examination, right? In a if you know that in a MCQ plus MCQ means NEET pattern, there is a section B is a optional, right? So we take a optional B, so there is a two checkbox will become. In a biology section, we know that section A has a 70 question, section B is a 30 question. Out of that 30 question, there is a 10 optional questions are there, right? In a physics, there is a 35 in a section A and 15, and out of 15 there is a 5 are optional, 35, 15 or 5, right? So this is a basic structure of NEET pattern, right? I hope there you will clear all this except, right? And we have to create add exam. We have to click on the add exam. When we click on the add exam, this add question window will be open, right? We just pause this video over here, and we will continue in the next video.